Is Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego. She and the Phoenix City Council recently approved a face mask mandate in hopes of slowing down the spread. Mayor, thanks so much for joining us. My first question really is whether you consider yourself in a big second wave of cases, or is this just a sort of delayed, extended first wave?
Public health professionals tell us we are in the first wave, so I still have to worry about a second wave ahead, unfortunately.
There in Phoenix. How full are they? How full are the ICU beds?
Our medical professionals are very worried. Our ICU beds are 88% full, which means we don't have the ability to absorb much of a surge. We are bringing in nurses from other states. We have patients being treated in hallways. We have people driving hours to get tested. We are in a very difficult situation.
Mayor, clearly I can sense from the tone of your voice there's a lot of concern about the recent uptick in cases. Who do you blame for the uptick? Whether it's the people in positions of power like yourself or above you, or individuals, because clearly everyone is a lot better educated about the risks than they were back in February and March.
I'm concerned that Arizona was one of the last states to go to stay at home and one of the first to reemerge. I believe we reopened too quickly and sent a message with packed nightclubs that we had defeated COVID. That was irresponsible. I believe that our residents will do the right thing if they get accurate information. I am calling on every elected official from the president on down to send a message that wearing masks works and that staying at home can slow the spread.
What are you telling businesses? Should they be closing down at this point?
We are trying to, at the city, make sure we give our businesses aid with getting appropriate safety equipment and information. I would like to see the packed nightclubs and bars close down. We have seen a lot of cases linked to young people in my own demographic, on the rise and transmission that occurred in crowded nightclubs. We are not ready to have that type of situation.
Can you make that decision yourself? Why don't you go ahead and do that?
Early on, mayors in Arizona really led the way. We implemented safety protections, including closing down bars and moving restaurants to takeout. Then our governor preempted us and will not allow us to do so. We actually had to implore him to allow us to put a face mask policy in place. These are common sense protections, and we would like the ability to have cities lead.
Mayor, we wish you luck in this fight. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.